4
reasons why dinner is the most important meal of the day. Don't miss dinner. It is the most important meal of the day. Have dinner no more than 1 hour before bed. Why is this the truth? And what does the science say? In most countries, children are forced to eat in the morning even when they are not hungry. We have heard many times the saying, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But this is absolutely wrong. And today you will learn why. Everything you will hear is especially valid if you eat a strictly low-carb, high-fat diet. 1. Need for energy. Why do we sleep? The answer is clear, but let's say it, so that our body can recover and be able to start the next day with restored force. But what does it take to make this happen as efficiently as possible? Most importantly, it is a source of energy in the form of fat. First, because fats break down in 3 to 6 hours, releasing the necessary energy. And second, because they do not trigger the secretion of high levels of insulin to accumulate them in the body. Did you know that the average person burns between 50 and 80 calories per hour when they sleep? This means that in 8 hours of sleep, we burn the amount of energy we could get from eating 7 to 11 whole eggs. 2. Need for proteins. In addition to energy, our body also needs to restore muscle structure during sleep. What are muscles made of? Protein. By taking protein together with fat, we provide the second element necessary for full regeneration of our body. Proteins play the role of building materials for our muscles, so do not deprive your muscles of protein. Since 1 gram of fat provides 9 calories and 1 gram of protein provides 4 calories, they should be eaten in roughly equal amounts to maintain a ratio of about 70% to 30% of calories. An example of a food with a perfect ratio is the whole egg. 3. Our body tells us what it needs. Almost every time after we eat dinner, our energy drops and we feel sleepy. This is a natural signal that our body uses to tell us, I need sleep. Food helps me recover while I sleep. 4. Energy needs during the phase of deep sleep. The sleeping phase of deep sleep starts on average about 3 to 4 hours after falling asleep. It is then that the regenerative processes are strongest and most efficient. For example, if we eat at 6:30 p.m. and go to bed at 10:30 p.m., the breakdown of food has long begun, and we deprive our body of the opportunity to absorb calories from fat and protein during the phase of deep sleep. Thus, we deprive our body of effective recovery, and it is highly likely that we will wake up hungry during the night or feel tired in the morning. In order to capture all of the benefits from eating your dinner, we have prepared a bonus tip in the end. But before we share that, if you find our shared knowledge useful, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications bell so that you don't miss additional videos like this one. Bonus tip: avoid eating carbohydrates in the evening. Take your daily dose of pleasure in the form of carbohydrates, 5 to 15% of daily calories, during the day. As they break down significantly faster, mixing carbs with protein or fat leads to inefficient breakdown of the proteins and fats in your stomach, which can lead to inflammation and make your meal meaningless. Eat carbs at least 1 hour before dinner. Take care of your body. It will pay off.